Oh, it's chilly. Temperature drop. There's my strawberries. Oh, look at those. Look at those strawberries. Look how many I have. I'm doing such a good job on those. Oh, look at the iris. Doesn't really have a smell yet, but it'll get there. Lilacs are coming back slowly. This is lilac. Raspberries. All these little white flowers will be a berry soon. Got some apples going too. Some blueberries. You see an apple right here. See? Apple. Let's see what else we got. Tomatoes are right here. I have to do some weeding, don't judge. More tomatoes right there. This is grapes. Bob has some roses. These are roses. My daughter has some carrots in here somewhere. This is her bed. She doesn't garden it. I mean weed it. Let's see. This is spring mix for salads. We love our salads in the summer. I got bell peppers. These are peaches. We got a lot of those coming in. See? Lots of peaches coming in. I can't wait. I'm excited for the peaches. Cabbage. These are peas. I love the flowers on the peas. They're pretty. And we got broccoli in here. That one's not started yet, but this one has broccoli starting in it. These are sunflowers. This is romaine lettuce. Spinach. Alrighty. So this is our cherry tree. Now if you look really closely, you'll see that we have these little black things all over the tree. See them? I don't know what they are. Kind of new to this whole thing. So if anyone has any ideas of what the heck these things are, don't touch it. Of what the heck these things are, that'd be great if you could just let me know and let me know how to get rid of it. And if you're interested in helping me with my garden, then you can, by all means, comment in the comment section down below and let me know if you're interested. Because if you are, then I would love to just keep you guys updated on how the garden's going and what we have growing and go from there. Wind's knocking everything over around here. Wah, 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 wah.